All right, the first texture I'm going to teach you how to draw is going to be a basket weave texture. And I'm just going to show you the basic idea of how to put it together first. So we're going to start with these sort of woven pieces, and I'm going to go vertical first. And you want about 5 strips, and I like to leave just a small space between them so that I see the difference between what is a strip and what's the space between the strips. So that's my third one, the space there, my fourth one, space there, and my fifth one. And if it helps you, you can even number these. So with basket weave, basically what you've got is pieces that are going over and pieces that are going under. So I like to start going under here, and you notice baskets have just a little bit of a swoosh to them here. They've got like a slight curve, a little bit of a bend in those lines, like that. So if you see, this horizontal piece is going over the 2 and the 4. Every time you've got one that goes over, you want to come back and erase. And I like to start drawing this with my willow first because the willow erases out really easily. Like that. So then I'm just going to do the next one a little bit opposite. So since I went over one here, since I went under one here, I'm going to go over it the next time. So I start like this, and I like to make my lines meet like this, so it looks like the horizontal pieces are butted up really close to each other. So over the 1, under the 2, over the 3, under the 4. Come back out from this side of the 4, go over both sides of the 5, like that. I'm going to come back and erase what's underneath it here. And I want you to try this 5 times. I want 5 horizontal and 5 vertical. And the more you do it, the easier it's going to get. And erase. Don't get confused with which vertical lines are spaces and which vertical lines are actual whole pieces. So if I want to go over the 1, I'm going to start on the left-hand side of the 1 and go over both pieces and under the first line of the 2. Start at this side of the 2. So here's my 2. There's the line down. That's where I want to start. Go over both sides of the 3 to the 4. So every line that you do is going to start at one line and pass over 2. And stop at the 3rd, if that helps you remember it. And then the last one, like that. And then always erase your overs. And I like to do this as I go so that I don't get confused about what's my over and what's my under. Okay? So that's how you draw it.